Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make seafood pasta. So I just put the water on the burner and now I'm turning the heat up. The next thing we'll be doing is adding some oil, and this helps to keep the pasta separate and make it not to stick. So I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. I'm adding some salt and leaving the water to boil for a while. So now I'm adding the pasta, as you can see, and I'm breaking it up into halves, but you can break it however you want or leave it whole, right? And next thing I'm doing, I'm stirring it up just to, loosen it as well and make it not stick. So the pasta is ready. I'm adding some more oil, for the sticky thing. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this chef thing and you take it up and down. So here are the ingredients. We have some chopped tomatoes, chopped carrots, some sliced chicken, chopped sausages. We have onions and garlic and the seafood and tomato paste. So those are all the ingredients we'll be using for this dish. And now we're adding some oil to the hot pot, which we'll use to fry the ingredients. And we're starting with the onion and the garlic before adding our chicken. What we're going to be doing with the chicken is we will stir it up till it turns white before adding anything else. As you can see, it's turned white. And now we'll be adding some seasonings like some salt. Then we'll be adding some curry, some petrozelia, some thyme. We'll be adding some thyme. All these seasonings will give the chicken some good taste. Some seasoning cube. We'll just add everything, mix it up really good so the chicken has a good taste. And now we're adding the sausages. You'll let the sausages to turn brown just a little bit before adding the tomato paste and stirring everything up till it turns completely red like this. And yeah, we're gonna be adding the main ingredient now, which is the seafood. It has some crab meat, some oyster, I think, and some mussels, I guess. I don't know the name of all these things. Yeah, we just stir it up and let it cook for a bit before adding the carrots. While adding the carrots, I realized that there wasn't enough moisture to cook it properly, and that's why I'm adding some more water into the recipe. But you don't have to if you think, yours is okay, right? And next thing, I'm adding some more salt, for taste, and the pasta. So I had to take the pot down because the pot was really small and it was a bit difficult stirring it up on the burner like that. So I took it off the camera and I, stirred it up before putting it back. And what I did was every 5 minutes, I would come back and stir it up, mix it properly, just keep doing it over and over every 5 minutes, just stirring it. And yeah, I had to taste it for salt. You don't want to serve a salty meal or a saltless meal. I just had to taste it and keep with the whole procedure of waiting every 5 minutes and stirring it up till the food was ready. So right now the food is ready and cooked, and trust me, it was so delicious. This is it. I had to set the table, and I made some cucumber and cabbage salad. And yeah, trust me, the food actually tasted better than it actually looks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video because it was so much fun making it for you. You can try out your own recipe and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Ciao!